Welcome back to the 2019 Figure 9 multifamily real estate market tour.
It's a lot of words, but you got them all right.
That is a mouthful.
Congrats.
Yeah. So on this video, we're going to be talking about Las Vegas and our overall impressions from there. So why don't you hit the stats?
Yeah, so Las Vegas comes in pretty compelling when you're looking at rent growth. It's got the highest of the markets we looked at, so rent's kind of running away right now. 7.8% rent growth. Vacancy 5.5%. You'd expect that looking at rent growth, so the vacancy is going to be fairly low. Job growth is pretty cool. I mean, it's 3.1%. That's fairly high, so that was good. And then population growth is 2.0%. So yeah, right there at the 2% mark, 3% job growth. Those are some pretty solid numbers to look at. Yeah, so we'll jump right into the
So overall, on the market rent growth, that's actually one of the highest in all the different markets we looked at here, which you already touched on. But one of the things that definitely seems to be driving that is just the overall health of the U.S. economy right now, and people's willingness to spend money on more of the entertainment type world that Las Vegas is.
That's a signature for sure.
So with that, I mean, there's been lots of recent growth as the economy's bounced back down there, and then the Raiders move into town. Definitely a lot of excitement around
big
that.
chunk,
The Las Vegas Knights and or Golden Knights.
Yeah, I think that's what they're.
Yeah. I don't follow sports too much, so. So overall, I mean, the short-term outlook definitely looks solid. There's a lot of development. There's a couple of pretty large projects going on down there too. And then we did find several value-add opportunities, and definitely some stuff that could make sense there. Some of the areas that we did see, though, kind of getting into the cons was. Las Vegas, similar to Dallas, is a market that really doesn't have any limitations on growth. So
can keep going,
Yeah, just seeing that spread. So a lot of what we've already seen in Las Vegas is more of the growth into some other suburban markets, and the Summerlin area is one area that we checked out a little bit too, where they had some larger tracts and have been able to do quite a bit of larger development there. That definitely would make it challenging to position a value-add play.
Yeah.
So
yeah, for sure. I think like you say, the value add making sense with all the cheap land and sort of labor and all the new influx of cash with the new stadium and things. It does definitely make the value add a little tougher to pull off. And let's be honest, Vegas is an entertainment town. I mean, that's what it's about. So. It's a little more of a risky play to go long term on Vegas,
right?
Especially since we've had such a run out there. I mean, things are looking great, but it's a bit risky, I feel like, at this point to move forward and really dive in. Again, like we say with all of these markets, obviously there are multifamily value add players that are making money, and I'm sure that there are opportunities there. For us with our options, it's something that we have to keep in mind, like the risk there. So yeah.
So overall impressions with Las Vegas, definitely could see where we could make some opportunities work, and we did find a few properties that looked interesting. But overall, based on especially what you just said with the economic fluctuations and volatility around some of that, definitely doesn't feel like something we're comfortable with right now. Could totally be some money made, and definitely opportunities for others there for sure. But for us, making value add work it actually seems to be a lot smoother, easier in a few of the other markets we looked at. Overall conclusion with Vegas?
Yeah, I think we're gonna pass on it for now. Like I say, we're interested in keeping an eye on it and being a part of any deals or connecting people up where we can with our network. If you have stuff in Vegas, but as far as executing a deal there, a multifamily value add, I think we're going to pass and look at other markets. So yeah, it was super fun though.
It really was.
Yeah, had a great time.
And popping into Siegfried and Roy's place. There.
Yeah. We'll have to put some video up about that.
Yeah,
we drove by one of the properties we looked at was right in their neighborhood. So big SR on the gate, and they were really nice. We didn't get to meet them, but their people were super nice. So go see their show. in Vegas. Rock and roll.
All right, next stop is Reno.